It was raining hard that night. The streets of Jakarta were quiet. In a small coffee stall at the corner of an alley, a man sat alone. His name was Arman. He was 47 years old. His shirt was messy and his eyes looked tired. In front of him was a cup of cold, black coffee. He had been sitting there for 3 hours. He didn't say anything. He didn't drink the coffee. That day, Arman had lost everything. The company where he worked for 23 years had fired him. Just like that. No warning. "We are sorry. This is because of cost cuts," said the manager. There was no thank you, no good money to say goodbye. That night, he didn't go home. He just walked and walked. Then he stopped at the coffee stall he used to visit when he still had a job. It was where he liked to drink coffee, read the newspaper, and write ideas in his notebook. Now he just sat and looked at nothing. The stall owner, an old man named Mr. Salim, came closer. "Mr. Arman, I know people can fall, but not everyone knows they can get back up." Arman looked up. "I'm tired, sir. I feel like everything is gone. There's no use trying." Mr. Salim sat beside him. He made a new cup of hot coffee and put it in front of Arman. "Do you know why I still open this stall late at night?" he asked. Arman didn't answer. "I used to have a big restaurant, many workers, a good life. But during a big money problem in the country, I lost everything, even my house. I thought my life was over. I almost gave up." Arman looked at him with surprise. "But one night, a poor man came. He asked for hot water for his sick child. I had nothing but an old stove and broken cups. Still, I gave him hot water. When he said, 'Thank you, sir. God bless you,' I cried." Mr. Salim looked up at the old ceiling. "That night, I started this little coffee stall, not because I had money, but because I knew if I could still help someone, my life was not over." Arman looked down. He cried. But now the tears felt a little different. There was a small light inside him. "Maybe you lost your job," said Mr. Salim, "but you still have your heart, and that is the most important thing. Sometimes we must break so we can become stronger." 3 months later, Arman was no longer just sitting in silence. He came to the stall bringing a thermos of coffee, some bread his wife made, and a notebook called New Ideas. He started a small business fixing AC and electronics. First he helped neighbors, then more people came. That small coffee stall became a place of hope. People came to talk, share, and find strength. And when someone sat there feeling sad, Arman would give them warm coffee and say, "Losing something is not the end. Sometimes it is the start of something better." Message of the story. Sometimes life feels too hard. We fall, we cry, we feel lost, but don't give up. Even in the darkest night, a small light can grow. You can stand up again. You are stronger than you think.